You need to know how to read the logarithm tables to assist you in doing or tabulating questions. The logarithm table has a number of columns, which are approximately 20. The first column is x, and then after that column we have other 10 columns starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Then after the 9th one, then we have other smaller columns, also 9 in number, reading from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the right hand column at the top there is written as difference, and then in brackets add, and all of them are the ones which are used in reading the logarithm. The column of x, which is the first one there, always gives the number that is written in the standard form. Is a number between 1 and 10, regardless whether it is written as a number between 10 and 100, but the fact remains that number, when you are reading it, should be a number between 1 and 10. So you have to remember to put a decimal in between. For example, they may write for you 21 in the column of x. That one ought to be read as 2.1. And from that one, we can be able to get, now from 0, they start giving now other values which are in decimal form. For example, where the 2.1 is meeting with the 0, you'll find there is 0.3, 2, 2, and 2. Where there is 1, we have 0.3243. Where there is 2 is 0.3263, and so on. And when you are given a value, always the first 2 digits are indicated in the column of x, and then the third digit you go across towards the right and up to where you find the third digit. For example, if I'm given 2.18, then the logarithm of this one would be first of all, I read the first 2 values on x, and then the third one where they meet with the 2.1 and 8, then that would be the log of it, which is equal to 0.3385. All these numbers which are inside there, regardless whether they have a point, but all of them should be point something. But in the column of 0, this is where they are giving us in decimal form. But you have to keep in your mind that all of them should have a decimal point. The other example which I may think is 2.184. We said that that value is led in the columns after 0. But the third value is led on the right hand corner where we have the difference where we need to add. And the value that you read at 4 on the right hand corner, you add it to the value that is at 2.18. From case 1 there, at 2.18, the answer was 3.3385. And if you go to the last columns, at 4 we have 8. Then you need to add 8 to 0.3385. So it will be 0.3385 plus the 8 that we found there, and this one now becomes a 3 and 9 a 3 3. So the new value now for the log of 2.814 will be 0.3393. So it's good to recall that we are adding that value that you read on the right hand side. The number that you read from mathematical table, that decimal part that you are reading from mathematical table has a special name. The special name is mantissa. Mantissa